Ladies and gentlemen, how do you do? I'm your host, Seth Julian. Welcome you to today's morning briefing. We're taking a look at cable, pound dollar. This is the rate of the US dollar versus the British pound sterling, referred to as cable because it was the first piece of information transmitted along the first transatlantic communications cable in the 1860s, and therefore referred to as cable. The price difference between cable dollar quotes in London versus New York. Now then, we see a strong upward trend in the value of the pound sterling and dollar. This is British pounds in US dollars. Base currency is the pound. The quote currency is the US dollar. It's now at a 122 handle, and it's been rising steadily since, we'll call it, to the end of September. 2 months. However, please note, it's been rising steadily on decreasing volume. Always, or usually, a sign of latent weakness, what we call a decline in sentiment, or what a physicist would call a decline in momentum. You'll notice that the value of the pound is now above, just slightly above, its 200-day moving average, miles above the 50-day, and not that far from the 20-day. Not surprisingly, those are the more responsive exponential moving average. Question is this. Starting today and tomorrow, we've got major economic information coming out of the UK, CPI data, employment data, and of course the Bank of England is going to report out later on this week as well. The question is this going to continue? We suspect not. Remember, we could be wrong. It's speculation, and therefore we could be wrong. I'm going to drill down to an hourly chart here, and you see that there's a lot of nervous energy here. This is the overnight, so you can't count the volume on the hourly chart and the overnight. But there's a lot of anxiety. You can see it in the chart. There's no, yes, while this trend is decidedly up, it's not what we would call robust or vigorous. So this data flow that's going to start today and continue into tomorrow could very likely reverse this trend. And that's what we're looking for, a possible shock to the pound dollar revival of late and a return to the precipitous decline in sterling value in US dollar. So that's going to do it for now, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Seth Julian, wishing you all the ability to trade with confidence. Bye-bye for now.